Holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the ground. I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. Tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around. Say it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Say it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Like a heartbeat beats. Yeah, I love you with the fire in red. Don't let it go. And you said, sorry, love, angel, never let me be my you. But I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. Whoa! It's too late.